Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and excited to learn something new today. If you are new to my channels, I'm Kundan Kumar and I love making coding simple and fun for you. So if you have not yet subscribed my channels, please do subscribe my channel so you cannot miss the any notification on upcoming videos on my channels. So now let's me ask you one simple questions. Have you ever tried to running a Java program like this using Java C hello world.java and you got that any error like Java C is not recognized internal and external commands? Well, that happens when your system does not know where the Java is installed. But don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to set up the Java development kits JDK path on your system so you can run Java program smoothly from anywhere. By the end of these tutorials, you will be able to configure it like a pro. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So let's go to the google.com and download the JDK download. You can look at this first link on the Google's here. Then you try to look for the your version. For me here, what I'm going to do, I will look for the version 1.8 because for me in my computers a different kind of applications are installed that are very compatible with JDK 1.8, but you can install any choice of your version, Java JDK 21, JDK 18, JDK 11, whichever you feel comfortable you can install and download and you can install it. For me, in my computer, I'm installing the JDK 1.8 because I mentioned that I have different applications on my computers that is compatible with 1.8. But you are feel free to install any of the version of the JDK. So you go there, here, then you will locate here because you can see this is Java AC8 archive download. So to scroll down and choose your choice of platform, means operating systems and bit. So you can see here Windows X because I'm guiding you how to install the JDK on Windows platform. So when you go for the Windows platform, you will good practice to check the we can say the environments. I can go right click on the C, this PCC, right click, go to the properties, and you can see I have 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. So I will choose this one and you click on this download. So when you click on the download, you have to tick it, then click on the download button. When you click the download, they may ask you to sign up, because they can ask you to sign up. The signing up on the Oracle is not very difficult. You can create one account, like here you can create one accounts and then you fill the required the fields. This is not easy, just you need to have one account, choice of password. This password is your choice of that you are using for the oracles and blah blah blah. You can choose the country, different countries here, okay, blah blah blah, whichever country you have it, like here whichever country you have it, give name blah 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 and you create one. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on sign in because already I have it. I will give my password of this Oracle. Okay, I got it right here. So now you can see the download has started. Fine. So you can find this download. I can go to the folder here. You can see the applications are downloaded here. So once you download it, we are going to click here to install it. So once we install, let us see. This software already have installed on your computer. You'd like to install it? Yes, because I have done before, guys, just for the, so I have to click. When you are installing the first time, they will not ask you. So let me do yes, I have installed. Let me, do you want to install again? Yes, I want to install it again. Okay, fine. So they are asking me the okay, blah blah. Please don't forget to read the screen instructions. It's good practice. While installing the applications, you better to read all these instructions what they are saying. Click next here. They're asking you this one, install to. You can choose your location. So me, I prefer to change the location, or you can use the default one. You can see it is under the C program files, under the program file JDK Java, under the Java JDK blah blah blah. So I can change this path. I can say okay. I can go to somewhere else, like here. Let me try from here. C, under the C here, the C, can you see? I can create one folder here. I can say Java. You can write any name, but Java is highly recommended. You can click here Java. Sorry, let me go back. Where the Java I created just now is this one, Java. And then okay. So this is my location, I can customize my location. So I'm going there next. So system installing the Java under the C. Fine. Just wait for the couple of seconds. Once this JDK will be installed, they will prompt us. Okay, it's completed something. So fine, you can see they're asking you to click the next step to access the tutorials. If you like to go through the tutorials and API documents of the JDK, you can feel free to click next steps, but I'm not going to go through because that is not our main agenda of this video. So close it. Once you close successfully, let us go through the C. It was under the C, it was under the Java. So I go to the local disk C, Java, it is this one. Under the Java, you can find we have a JRE, we have a Win folder. Let us click here. Sometimes when you while installing the JDK, you may have a separate folder called the JDK, separate folder called the JRE. Okay. So fine, don't worry. So you go inside the bin, you will find you have a Java C, that is a Java compiler, you have a Java, that is an interpreter. Java C is used to, this compiler is used to compile the Java program, and this Java interpreter is used to run the Java program. Okay. So let us here. So we are going to, after installation successfully, we have installed. Let me close this, this command prompt and open again. Fine, open again this command prompt. I'm opening this command prompt. After opening this command prompt, I'm going to write Java space hyphen version. When I click this, still Java is not recognized. Let me consider that I have one file under the Kumar folder called the hello world java c hello world.java. I'm going to compile, still saying Java is not recognized. It means Java, this computer, my computer Windows, does not know where the Java JDK is installed. To let the computer know where the Java is installed, we need to, we need to set up the environmental variable. So what to do? We need to set up the environmental variable. So let me go there how to do that. So you can do different way. Let me go with the shortcut way. Go to the search on the taskbar. Okay, search, write env environmental variable like this, or we can do another way. Let me try another way. We can go to this PC, right click, go to the properties. When we go to the properties, we can find advanced settings. Here you can see here advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Okay, so click on environmental variables, click on this environmental variables, and then we need to do the rest. So first job, you should know why we are going to set the environmental variable, means these variables. Can you see here environmental variables of the JDK? Setting up the environmental variables path for the Java development kit, that is JDK, is essential when learning Java because it allows your system to recognize and execute Java command from any directory. Okay, so why it's important? So let's go there. It enables Java C and Java command globally. What it means? Let me take you through. It's when you install the Java, enter the C, this one zip C, enter the B, you can see you have a Java C and this Java. So setting up the environmental variables, it enables Java C and Java commands globally, means you can access from anywhere. Now also it simplifies Java program executions, and also some of the IDE like IntelliJ, NetBeans, Eclipse, like this one Eclipse, NetJetBrains, while you're building the project on that kind of IDE for the Java needs, the Jet IDE needs the JDK path. Also, this Java, setting up this environmental variable can help us to avoid error in Java applications. So these are important points that we need to, that is why we are setting up the environmental variable. So let's now we going to set the environmental variable of the JDK. So first of all, open this this environmental variable. Now you can locate here user variables for Kumar, and you can see the system variables. User variables for Kumar means whatever system you are setting here inside here for the path here, it will be, this path is only accessible only for the Kumar user, means if you log in on my computer using the Kumar credentials. But if you allow the others, whoever log into this my system using guest, using Kumar, using XYZ and etc., everybody can access this path. You can go for the system variables. So what we can do here, we can first of all we need to set the Java home, so we can go here and we can create one. We can say here we can say here call the Java home. So Java home. Okay, then you can give the path of Java home. So what is the Java home? You can go to the C where your Java installed. So local disk C, here we can say PC C, here Java, inside Java you have here this one. You can say here this is your path for me, means go for the JDK guys, but we have this is the one Let me use this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, okay, and save it. I can say this one. We done it here. Okay, we can do it here. So now we have done Java home. You can see Java home is here. Fine. Now we need to set the path. So you can set the path here also. Same Java home you can do in under the Kumar. Let me do only the system variables. Okay, let's go to the path. So we are going to set the path. So we can do here like this. Click on the path. If you don't have one path, you can create a new and say path. Then since I have already path, I can go here and click edit. Click edit, and before going here next, go to the navigate. So we go to the C, Java. Inside the Java, we go to the bin folder here. Because why we are going to go bin folder? Because bin folder is the one containing Java C compiler and Java interpreter. So we can go there like this. Okay, and we can copy this one. Let's go. We are going to copy this. Copy, navigate to the environmental variable, click new and paste it here. You can see here, paste it here. Don't change. Okay, but look at there, we have done also, remember we have set the Java home. Let me cancel it. We have set the Java home. Java home is C. What is this? See this one. Are you getting me here? You can do this one also. This Java home helps now all the build, to know it. So what we can do here? We can go to Java home. Okay, like this. Here, this Java home. What is the path of Java home? C/Java means you are already there. C/Java. Let me take you. C Java slash here. You are already here. Inside Java, you have a bin folder. Use this we have a bin folder. So what we can do? We can go another way. This is also one of the way, because path is set means where the Java is set. So we can go to the path. We can do. Let me do both way. We can create here new. Right here control V. This is one way. Let me do both way. I can do here itself. Then I'm saying okay. Let me click again one more here, edit. I click new. You can see, as I mentioned you above, that we have a Java home. So we can say here percentage Java home. So we have a Java home percentage. You can see, then slash, you can say bin. So system knows where is the Java home is this one. Are you getting me? You can do this way or you can do this way. Both are either way. You can choose this way, because why I'm doing this one? Because we have set the Java home. Java home is what? Up to the Java C:/Java. It means system will go up to Java, they will take, and then inside the bin folder. Let me delete this one and show you. Okay, you can maintain both or either. So let me delete this one just for learning purpose, guys. I'm teaching both. You can go this one or you can go this one. Fine. So let me delete this one simply to see, because here, because we have a Java home. So I'm using Java home is up to C:/Java. Inside the Java, that's why we are giving in this path. You can check it out here. Again, I repeat, up to the Java home stand for /C/Java, and inside the Java I go to the bin. So that is what I am trying to see. So I close it. Okay, everything. Let me close this. So when you set the environmental variable, it's very good practice to click this command prompt instance, because this instance of command prompt was open before setting up the environmental variables. So once you set the environmental variables, this command prompt instance will not be able to access the new changes. So we need to close it. So close it, open the CMD command prompt once again and try to look for the version. So Java space minus version. You can see here, now my computer is able to recognize the Java, isn't it? So like that we can create one Java files and we try to test whether our program, we can write a Java program and check whether our Java program is able to run on this computer or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use simple program in this one to show you. Okay, simply to show you. So let me open any simple editor. So I'm going to use the Sublime. Simply I'm going to open. So I'm writing one Java program. So let me save this file. I'm saving this file. I'm going to the desktop. Might be I'm going to the desktop. Under the desktop I can write a Java practices, create one folder. So might be I have a Java practices one folder. I click here and I can see I have something folder. So let me write here hello world.java. Okay, I save it. Let me write Java program. So I can say class, okay, hello world, okay, space here. This is a a basic Java program structure document. So we can say, so what this is a signature of the main method, okay, that we need to use it. We can do like this args, and then we can say here system dot out dot println and write here hello world. Save it this file. So what I'm going to do, I can go, so where is my mine? So I can go there, see desktop. I'm in the desktop. Go to the Java program practice. I am here in the practice. So open this one, cmd. I am here. So now you can write here javac hello world dot java. You can see this is my file name, hello world java. So I'm doing here, and you can see where I'm in my project folder on the desktop Java project. I'm not in the JDK, and I can run here. See, new prompt have scan means no errors. You can see once you run, you will find the hello world dot class. This bytecode is created. This is a bytecode we are going to run. So to that one to run, we use the Java interpreter Java hello world and enter. You can find hello worlds. So guys, you have seen that we have set up the environmental variable of JDK successfully on the Windows platform. Hope you like this video. If you are new to my video, if you're new to my channels, please do subscribe, like and comments, and provide some suggestion of for interesting video that I can make and prepare for you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.